Carol Romero Garcia. Your name, please.
Carol Romero Garcia.
Thank you. Ma'am, I have a proposed disposition from the city attorney that indicates that you'd be entering a plea of guilty to a defective vehicle charge, a 2-point violation. Upon a plea of guilty to that charge, the balance of your case would be dismissed.
Yeah.
Okay. Were you advised of your rights regarding if you enter into this disposition, you'd be waiving your right to go to trial?
No, he didn't tell me anything. He just said that there was going to be just less points.
Okay. Okay, did you watch a video before you started today?
No.
Okay. Well, you do have a right to go to plead not guilty and have the matter set for trial if you wish to do so. You also have the right to have be represented by counsel if you choose to do that. You'd have a right to enter a plea of guilty, but if you do that, you'd be waiving your right to be represented by counsel today, waiving your right to have a trial. And if you waive your right to have a trial, then you're waiving your right to have an appeal. Do you understand that?
I don't understand a little bit. Is it, what exactly, am I going to jail or?
No. I'm
Oh,
just
okay.
saying you have a right to have this happen.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's see, just you understand that pleading guilty means you did it. Pleading not guilty would mean you did not.
Yes.
Okay. And has anybody promised you anything other than what we've just spoken about here on the record in order to have you enter this plea today?
No.
Okay. Okay, let me open up your history here. Looks like you had one ticket last year. So in your case, I'm imposing a fine of $60. There's a $30 surcharge, $9 gasoline, for a total of $107. We'll send you an email so you can take care of that.
Okay.
Okay, don't do this anymore. Nobody's going to jail.
Okay. No, I promise I
Good.
won't.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yes.
Did you want Billy to take the level one?
No.
Great.
Okay. Tori Bauer,
Hi.
just a moment. Let me pull up your case. This is EM 12106. And I have a proposed disposition in your case whereby you would be entering a plea of guilty to a defective vehicle charge, 2 points. Upon a plea of guilty to that charge, the balance of your case would be dismissed. Here, this indicates that you have a Nebraska driver's license. Is that your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So have you had any tickets in the past year?
No.
Anything else we need to know about your case?
No, I don't believe so.
How old are you?
I am 26.
Did you watch the video before we started here today about your rights?
I did.
Okay, do you have any questions regarding your rights?
I do not.
Okay. Then I am going to impose the first offense, driving a defective vehicle, $40. There's a $30 surcharge, $9 gasoline tax fee, for a total of $81. We're going to send you an email of how to take care of that. Drive carefully.
Thank you.
Thank you. Efron Torres Gonzalez. Okay. Sir, it's my understanding that you'll be entering a plea of guilty to no proof of insurance, a 4-point violation. Upon a plea of guilty to that charge, the balance of your case would be dismissed. Sir, did you read or have read to you and sign this advisal of rights form?
I watched the video.
Okay, well, did you read this document or have it read to you? Okay, it's basically the same information, but you understand you have a right to be represented by an attorney if you choose to do that?
No.
Okay, you no, I know he has a right to be represented though. Do you understand you have a right to be represented by an attorney, but you're choosing not to have an attorney? That's okay. You have a right to have a trial, either, well, to a court or to a jury on this charge. That by entering into this disposition on today's date, you'd be waiving your right to be represented by an attorney, to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And if there's no trial, then there's no appeal. Do you understand that? Okay. Has anyone promised you anything other than what we've just spoken about here on the record in order to have you enter this plea today?
No.
Okay. Just a moment. Let me look at your driving history. Let's see. It's not him. Oh, yes, thank you.
Search. Citation search.
It just started. That was magic, whatever you did.
Good job, Bill.
So, charge detail.
Citation search. Click on the number.
That one?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you. You've had no citations for a while, which is good. Do you now have insurance?
Yes.
Okay, 4 points to be assessed against your driving privilege. It's a mandatory minimum $500 fine. However, since you now have insurance, I can suspend 1/2 of that. And so your fine is $250. There's a $30 surcharge. 30%, excuse me, $20 court costs. And that total then is, put that on there. $354. So please go to the court clerk's window and you can make arrangements regarding payment. Thank you. So I add that because the statute says that, and I understand that's different than what Judge Juarez was doing. That's what we're going to do. Right, so, I didn't do my ROA
Yeah, I'm not over these two.
or the, yeah.
So let's go ahead and get that in there.
Yes,
I need an ROA.
yeah, same. Got it. But I'm on this case, so let's
Yeah.
do it on this one. So I want to go back to here. I want to go down to,
Yeah. It just popped up. Get it out. Yeah.
so it's not 1 point, it's 4 points.
So he's, I actually don't have that one in there.
So
So
plead
we'll just do
guilty.
order.
Order.
Just type.
Let's go.
It's a $40 fine.
Thank you for doing this.
Yeah.
It's close, huh? There we go.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
and there's a red dot there. It says I have downloads to do. We'll do that after.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so I have the citation search. So that one's good.
And then $60 fine.
There we go.
Based on the violation date of this,
Mhm.
that should be a 40.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Conviction date's less than a year ago, but the violation is 4.
Okay, so will they know that out there or will they have already?
So she's processing everything.
Oh,
She's gonna send it
got it.
off to
Got it.
everyone via email,
Got
and
it.
anyone that shows up, she just sends it to the front clerk.
Okay, got it. Do that. Do
So
that.
click on searches. Citation search.
There we go.
She's a 2 point.
Talk to her. Jasmine Rodriguez,
Don't know.
she's there.
Where?
Well, I mean, she's there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's call EM 6728 Jasmine Rodriguez.
Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Sorry about that. Let's see. It's my understanding that the city attorneys offered you a proposed disposition whereby it would be entering a plea of guilty to defective vehicle headlights, a 1-point violation. On a plea of guilty to that charge, the balance of the case would be dismissed. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand? Did you watch a video prior to appearing today?
Yes.
And do you have any questions regarding your rights?
No.
You're not represented by counsel today. Have you had enough time to think about this prior to entering your plea today?
I have, yes.
And has anyone promised you anything other than what we've spoken about here on the record in order to have you enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
What does? Okay, just a moment.
Escape. Citation search.
So it looks like there was an accident, but no one was injured. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's the good news. So there's no other notation from the officer. So
I don't know. This is coming in the picture of the fire, so it should be able to- So if you put Jamie in there, like fire stuff.
I'm gonna put in room 2.
Okay, she's also not responding.
Great. Thank you. I'll move her to room 2.
so you hit a fence. Okay,
Retaining wall, yes.
yeah. Did you have insurance and so that's all taken care of or?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I am going to impose a, just a moment. Okay, so that'll be a 1-point violation, $40 fine. There's a 30% surcharge, $9 gas fee for a total of $81. You'll get an email about taking care of that. Please drive carefully. I'm glad no one was hurt.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we might, but I got used to doing this in the courtroom. Okay, do we have an interpreter?
We do not. We'll have to reschedule him.
Roberto Ramirez Hernandez.
Christine, have that come out.
Nice Spanish interpreter day.
Tu nombre es?
Roberto Ramírez Hernández.
¿Tú necesito interpreter?
Sí.
Yo necesito interpreter. So we're going to give you a new court date.
Oh, okay.
Escribe What day?
next week, 8:30 a.m., 10 a.m.
Next Wednesday.
Wednesday. Next Wednesday,
Next Wednesday,
8:30. 8:30.
okay?
8:30. See?
I'll send
Thank you. What?
That's it?
Yeah, we'll see you back and we'll take care of it then.
You go to the front window, we'll send a reminder up there for him if you want.
Okay. Thank you.
And so typically what we've been seeing is even if you don't reschedule like that,
Mhm.
we've been seeing the order ROA go in, just say reschedule for.
Okay, sure. That's a good idea. But I have to get to it for a second. Thank you. So I just gave it to you. I need to give it to you back. What day is next Wednesday?
18th.
Thank you. Put there. Order. Okay.
So you can quick click it.
This is Anthony Masters. I don't need to see him. It's a 17th thing. He didn't do his class.
It might be here too.
Okay, Ricardo Valdez.
Your Honor, this is Chris Ovalantu Hoppy, registration 44218, representing Mr. Valdez. I don't know if he's present in the courtroom. I know he's not on Zoom.
He is not.
Okay. I've spoken with the city attorney and I've asked to set this over another time so that Mr. Valdez could be present.
What's your schedule look like?
Well, I don't know if it would be mine or my colleagues, but I heard you offer next Wednesday. I don't know if that's
Yes, that would be fine.
okay.
Let's do next Wednesday, 8:30.
That should be fine.
It's good to know. You know, if it's not broke.
Right.
Okay, council will send you an email regarding that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Okay, Anthony Maestas. Anthony Maestas, EM 8637.
Hi.
Okay, just a moment, sir. Let me pull up your case.
Okay.
Okay, looks like you already entered a plea of guilty and you needed to discuss your Alive at 25 class. Or what do you want to tell me about that?
Do you want me to read out what I typed for the class and what I learned? Do you want me to read out everything, or do you?
Well, did you take the class?
Yeah.
Did
but do
you
want?
did you get a certificate that said you were done with it?
Yeah.
Okay, so all you need to do is drop that by the court here, or
Okay.
if you want, you can, we'll send you a link so you can email that, scan it in and email it over.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
know, take a picture with your phone, whatever you need to do, but that's all we need. We just need the certificate that you completed it.
Okay.
So good on you for following up and getting it done, right?
Yep.
Did you learn anything?
Yeah, I learned a lot.
Okay. Okay,
A lot
time to
more.
make some changes, make them stick, okay?
Yep.
You have 7 days from today's date to get that over to us, okay?
Okay. Cool.
Thank you, Anthony.
Yep. Thank you.
Thanks, Mom, Grandma, whoever.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank
Okey-doke.
you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Ms. Hutton, who do we have?
Michael Mulatto.
Okay, well, that happens to be my next. That's okay, no problem. CM 282558. And how do you wish to proceed?
We need a continuance because Mr. Lovato has a lot of vehicles, and now I'm going to be talking to the inspector, and we're going to try to figure out how we can manage to get those cars off his property so he can be in compliance. So we're going to need time for that. It's not going to be.
Okay. Okay, so what kind of cars do you have?
What kind of cars do you have?
Judge, there's photos attached to the.
Oh, there are.
Basically, Your Honor, the cars that Continentals, Ford Thunderbirds.
Okay.
They're collector's items now.
Yeah. Well, some of these Nissans aren't. The Ford Maverick maybe is, I don't know. Hey, you can't have all these cars. Your attorneys talked to you about that. We're gonna give you.
When I started collecting them some 20 years ago.
I understand that. Times change and we need to make some changes. So how much time were you thinking of, counsel?
I'm sorry, sir, I cannot hear you.
Okay, I'm asking the attorney, how much time?
About 60 years before. I think we just have to be a little more realistic than that. I don't know if we could, whatever we could get, I don't know, as long as we can have it, best.
Okay,
Whatever we do.
6 weeks?
6 weeks?
Okay,
Okay, that's great.
60 years?
Nope.
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
That's.
Here's the deal. We're gonna come back in 6 weeks. We need to see significant progress on this. Okay? Thank you.
He said we need to see significant progress.
Well, not just some stuff, a significant amount of stuff.
Yeah. We'll go outside.
Any of those run?
Ready to run?
It takes me 20 years to collect them. It's gonna take you a while to get rid of them.
Well, you
Can't take them to the judge.
you talk to your attorney. You need to get started. You need to get started on that yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. 6 weeks, that date is? Okay, June 22. And ma'am, what time is best for you?
Actually, I'm not available the 22nd. Could we do it the next week? And then that's either Wednesday or Thursday.
Yes, let's do it on Wednesday.
29th, June 29th.
29th at 1:30, 1:15.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Council,
Yeah.
do we have Miss McCarrick on?
Yes, and she is confused. Why she's just sitting there. Should I tell her that Miss Hutton will be with her shortly?
How are we gonna have council talk to Miss McCarrick?
Okay.
Can you call her?
I figured since I haven't heard from her.
If you, I can take a look.
Yes, we have.
We're
that's
working
what-
on it.
Yeah, okay, I will let her know.
Okay.
Just got the courtroom laptop there, right? The interpreters. I'll let her know.
Let's go.
So let's talk about this case when we're done.
Okay.
Thanks.
Jamie? Jamie, are you there? Okay, yes, I can. So your attorney is here, your counsel is here, Tricia Hutton. She's going to jump on and speak with you. Here in just a minute, where she had another case that she was looking at, and so I put you in this room instead of the main session and instead of with the prosecutor, so we could get Patricia over here to talk to you, okay? So if you could just hang tight, we're getting another computer set up so that you guys can communicate with each other. I think she tried to call you, but wasn't able to get a hold of you. So I don't know if she has the right number or what. Oh, okay. Yeah, she said I didn't get a hold of her, so I didn't think we were gonna be seeing her today. I said, no, she's here. She's ready to go. We just need you.
Okay, Mr. Jernigan, which case are you here on?
Okay.
Good afternoon,
Okay.
Judge. I
Okay.
am here on Harry Alcantar.
Okay, EM 1709. And is your client with you?
Thank you.
No, Judge, I'd be requesting a waiver of appearance this afternoon.
Okay, do you have authority to act on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge, I do.
Okay, if you give me just a moment, let me pull up this citation. There we go. Sir, it looks like your client would be entering a plea of guilty to a defective vehicle charge. The balance of the case would be dismissed. There's an indication your client already took the ISAE level 1. Is that correct?
That is correct, Judge.
Okay. And let's see what we have. Looks like there's nothing except for a 2012 case from California. So we will impose a $40 fine. There's a $30 surcharge, $9 fuel surcharge for a total of $81. Sir will send you an email on how your client can take care of that.
Judge, may I request a short 10-day stay of execution? Sorry for
Sure.
the interruption.
Absolutely. 10-day, well, let's make it 2 weeks, 14-day stay of execution. And it's an unfortunate term, but that's what we use. So we'll see everyone back. Well, you don't have to be here, just payment needs to be made. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Judge. Have a great afternoon, and everyone in there stay safe.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Up on Zoom. The Valdez.
Right.
But the attorney's not there anymore, right?
Giving them a court date.
Yep.
Yeah, or having the judge tell them.
Yep.
You want me to admit him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or commit them.
I would have.
She left.
You already talked to Hayden, the lawyer.
Mhm.
I was gonna tell him that the judge requires lawyers to appear with haircuts. I was giving shit.
We're just jealous.
Has he appeared before?
I haven't seen him before. No.
Do you know a lawyer named David Colt? Anyhow,
Mm-mm.
Hayden says sort of, part works for David Colt, but they're the most gentlemanly
Oh, really?
attorneys you'll ever meet. In every single case, they have their client take ISAE level 1 before they
saw
even talk
that.
to me.
Yeah.
And I've gone back to them for so long. They say the client did it. I'm like, they did it. And
I will. Thank you.
Hey Patty, I need to move her over? I can't hear you.
Can you move her back? And I'll just sit here, I guess. I mean, there's.
Okay, I'll move her.
Do you want me to come out?
Thanks. Where'd it go? Move to main session.
Lovely.
There she is.
June. That would be June 22nd.
That's an issue. What in the world? He did not plead guilty. Hi. Yeah.
Ms. Hutton, are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Yeah,
Just a moment.
yeah, he was not. Okay, he was, I am muted. Mute that.
Did I mute?
Jamie, do you want to unmute? There you go.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
go.
So now that I've actually finally been able to talk to Miss McCarrick, sorry. I have a good phone number for her now, so hopefully we can talk to each other soon and then come back. I was thinking like maybe the 1st of June or something,
Okay,
or let's see, then our.
how about the week after that?
It's another week. I tell you, I don't know why I'm so busy right now, but I am. But I could do the 15th of June.
Let's do that.
Okay. That'll give us plenty of time then.
Yep. And June 15th at what time, ma'am?
1:15.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see everyone back at that time.
Okay. Thank
Stay
you
in
so
touch
much.
with your attorney, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can sign off.
I'm trying. How do I sign off?
There should be a red leave button at the bottom.
Okay, thank you. Back in there for a second. Okay, there it is. I'm at the bottom.
Yeah, see, leave.
I think I got it.